Nature has published an article, excellent article, that gravity also works between single atoms. What does it mean? This means that Einstein idea that gravity is carried by the curvature of space is false, is wrong. Because now imagining that a single atom is curving space, I think is out of common sense of physics. All these theories about developing Newton gravity in a new way, adding something, some new elements in the formula. This is so-called Mond modified Newtonian gravity. I think this is false. This is all search for something that does not exist. And that right understanding of gravity is that gravity is the result of the variable energy density of space and is valid from the size of the atom to the size of the supermassive black hole. And this is it. Thank you very much.